Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Please, if this is your first time seeing this face, please like, share, comment, and also tell your friends about my channel. I appreciate you guys always coming. Please, I will always say it, share my video to your contact. Information is power. I always tell you, if even though it's not important to you, when you share it, it will get to someone that will need it. You understand? That is the most important thing that will make you to share it. So please, for those of you that call me, I miss your call, you always ask of my number, please check my video down below, video that I've done before. If you watch it, when you go down to the description, you will see my number there, and I will be open a group WhatsApp where I will be putting people so that you can ask me anything you want to ask me there, because it's not everything you can be asking me on live, you understand. Through that WhatsApp group, you can be asking me anything. Even though you call, I did not respond, just drop a voice record. I will always get back to you, understand. So for those people that is living in Lazio region, they will be shut down of anything grocery shop. They will be shut down. Supermarket, Africa, where they say Africa food, anything food, they will be shut down on Easter day, and the other day it will be shut down, because since when this thing started, they have not closed for one day, you understand. So the government of Lazio region is giving all the people that is selling food and all those things to take a break, at least for 2 days, for this Easter time. You understand? You know, normally they go break, but some people will still decide to open, like all these Indian people, Bangladesh, that they sell food stuff. They will still open, because most of them are Muslim. They are not Christian that do Easter, you understand. But this one is mandatory. All of them should close. So if you have anything you want to buy today and tomorrow, you should go and buy it, because Sunday and Monday everywhere will be closed. There's nowhere to buy anything. Only the pharmacies, tobacco and all those things can still open, because people cannot do without drugs. People cannot do without smoking, you know. So those places, they will not close. Only the supermarket, anywhere they say anything about food, they say they should take 2 days off. You understand? That is for people that is living in Lazio. Please, I always tell you guys, be your brother keeper. If you have anything that your friends, they could not do, help them to do it. It will take anything from you. They will never take your own and give that person. Your own is your own, and that person own is that person own. You understand? That is what I believe. And again, please, it's like most of you subscribe, you don't turn up the notification button. Please turn up the notification button, so that whenever I upload or I'm on live, you guys will always come. Let's talk things out together, you understand. So please, if you know that you have not hit the notification button, please go there and hit it. And I appreciate you guys. I want to be seeing you guys up to whenever I come to live video, so that we can talk together. I hope you guys have gone out there to do your bonus and everything that I've explained, and also maybe the one you have seen other channel. Please go and do it. Even though you don't know it, go to CAF and ask that you want to do bonus. They will put you through and help you to do the one you are eligible to do. Understand? So let's go to the topic of today. Today's topic is, there is a new law that Salvini is trying. Is Salvini that bring the law last 2 years, you understand. But he's trying to say they should sign it. They want to share document for people that, you know, in everything there is always the Italian document. There are many motives of giving their document. You understand? There are different kind of documents. I even said there is 1 day document in this country. You understand? They'll just give you for only that day to do something, and it expire. So they are trying to sign it this month. Please go and ask your lawyer if you can do it, because the sanatoria they say they want to do before, they suspended it because of this pandemic. So go and ask your lawyer if you can be able to do it. They want to do it. The document name is Calamità Naturale, which it simply means in English is natural disaster, because this COVID-19 is natural disaster. It's not something that anybody planned for. It's not something that anybody was expected that will happen. It happened naturally. You understand? So they want to give people document. It doesn't matter where you are, as long as you don't have document. They want to give that document. They will write it Calamità di Naturale. You understand? I've said it before. It simply means in English natural disaster. You understand? So before you go and do it, ask your lawyer first, because the disadvantage in this document is that you cannot change it to working paper. That is the disadvantage. But if you know that you have no hope or anything of getting documents, and you don't know when the other law they say they want to pass, the sanatoria, you don't know when they will pass that law. So you can ask your lawyer if you can be able to do this and be using it for the meantime. It's like it's 6 months they will give. You understand? Go and ask your lawyer if you can be able to do it. If your lawyer advise you to do it, you can do it for the meantime. You understand? And also ask if in future maybe you have work, you are working, because there's some people they are working, they don't have document. So you have to ask your lawyer if you can be able to do it, and if you can be able to change it to working paper tomorrow, because it's 6 months they will give. You understand? So if your lawyer told you that you can be able to change it to a working document in future, good and fine, because this document, if you can be able to have it, they will not ask you for all those things like your cap with the person you are working with, to check if the person ready to, if the person annual income is capable to employ somebody, to give somebody work and all those things. Like this one now is something that happened naturally, just like people that they ran from their country because of political crisis, you know, all those kind of things. So those things are something that happen. So they only need your story to be convinced if really is what that drove you from your country. But this one now, you are already here. As you are already here, this thing happened. So they need to give this document for you to do some certain things. You want to go to hospital, you want to do a lot of things. You can use the 6 months to do a lot of things, because there are a lot of people, they don't have document. Even this little bonus, they can't even get it because of they don't even have even a day document. So if you know that that sanatoria, you don't know when they will bring it out. We don't know if it will be this year. Depend on how everything go down. So you can easily do this Calamità di Naturale document. You can do it, but first I will advise you to hear from your lawyer. If you have any lawyer, ask from your lawyer if you have it. If in future it can appeal for you to change it to normal, ask your lawyer if it's possible for you to change it in future, so that you can be able to grab this one. You understand? So ask information, don't just go. For those of you that don't know, don't just go and ask. Don't just hear something and you just run to do whatever you like. I said it, they want to sign it, they are deliberating on it to give. The reason I'm giving you this information is for you to have it in mind, and also get ready that so thing is happening, because without somebody did not bring it out to say it, you will not know. This thing will just come and pass, because Italian government, they cannot come to your house and come and be telling you this is the new law and all those things. Moreover, most of our people here, they don't watch news. They might say it in the news, Not everything they explain in the news. They can only do a flash of something, which if you are not following their news, you don't understand the language very well, you will not know that those kind of things they exist, except you go and make a research. You understand that you will see that this thing they want to do it. If you are reading their newspaper and all those things, that is where you get the detail very well. Not on the news that you get the detail very well. You understand? Search to know the detail about it. That is the reason. Not that they have signed it that you should run to Questura or you should run to anywhere that you want to carry form and all those things. No, I'm just saying it so that you can get ready. You know that this kind of thing is going to come out. That is the reason I'm saying it. So just stay tuned. Share my video. Anything. If you want me to add you on my WhatsApp, you just send me hi that you want me to add you, and I will tell you what to do, then I will add you. So please keep on sharing my video to your loved one. Share it. Please, this is the only thing I ask from you, and also like. So for those of you that is asking, you don't know what is the meaning of speed. Speed is something like information. Before you go to any website to do anything, you have to have it. It's poster that do it. It's your personal pin. It's something personal. You register it with your document, your codice fiscale and all those things, so that whenever you want to do something on this website, they have already know that you are the one. You understand? Most of these CAF that you see, they do things, they are registered with INPS. It's INPS that give them certificate to be doing those things online for you guys. So if you want to be doing it by yourself online, that is why you need those pin and speed. They are the same. If you have speed, you don't need pin. If you have pin, you don't need speed. They are almost the same thing. But speed, they do it in poster. Why pin, you do it in INPS. That is just, there's nothing different. It's just your information. Whenever you do something, they have already have your information on their website to know that you are so person that is doing the thing. That is just the reason of speed. Speed doesn't mean that when you do it, they will give you money. No, it's just to register with them. Everything you register, you understand? So that is the meaning of speed. So thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Please share my video to your loved one. Share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever. Share it. Good news you share to people, not only news that they are fighting and all those things. It will benefit anybody. Share good information to your loved one. Bye bye till we meet again.